My video is about removing the adware type application that attacks Mac computers. This adware type program is called DailyPanel. DailyPanel is the adware that is from the adload family. We discovered DailyPanel while examining websites that are claiming that the Adobe Flash Player is out of date. So obviously, DailyPanel is distributed through fake installer. The installer says that people need to implement some urgent software update or browser update, but when deceived people do that, when they install such fake updates, they are actually installing adware into their computers. So DailyPanel adware affects Mac computers and Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome and Firefox. Once installed, this adware starts displaying the great portion of ads that are not related to the sites that you visit. Often the adware like that may also spy on the user's browsing activities, collect personal details and perform other illegal actions. So if you have discovered this DailyPanel to be the part of your Mac, check your Mac applications, find this DailyPanel, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Download Combo Cleaner, install this software. This is the way it looks like. The program is initially in the trial mode. Even the trial mode, however, has got certain free features like disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So click on Start Combo Scan button. Then Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. You will then see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. The summary of the threats will specify the locations of threats on the system. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to keep your entire computers always protected in the future. So click on Review Results at the end of scan. This is a summary of threats. Please consider premium license as the best solution to remove these threats and to protect your system from further malware attacks.